So, where have you been? Well, I've been here the whole time doing the stay at home thing. But my computer, well, that's another question. Apparently, my computer has the coronavirus and went into a complete meltdown. So, this is why you're watching some random videos on my voiceover. We're going to just have to tolerate this until I get my new system, which will be a little while longer. Meanwhile, it's not the time you need to rush into the markets because of your fear of missing out. Experience tells me to wait for price. Perhaps reposition investment positions you're not certain about. Don't touch core long term positions. Nothing that I see at this time indicates a disastrous long term recession. Just continue to raise some cash and keep some cash on hand, as I still believe we're in a longer term topping pattern that I've talked about before. And remember that there are plenty of circumstances that could arise to create volatility, and any wrong move could be costly. The VIX is still in elevated levels, so be careful. As for the market risks, sentiment has turned bullish, but not enough. Insiders have shifted to neutral as their buying has slowed down. Coronavirus risks appear to be rising once again with the openings, which may turn out to be closings once again. Political risks are also rising as the market appears to interpret a Biden win as a negative for the markets. And we are entering this seasonally weak time of the year when everyone goes on vacation. This year, though, it's staycation for most, including me. But offsetting those potential negatives are some favorable factors to keep in mind. Cash levels are really high. These levels have the potential to move the market if cash comes back in. Along with cash levels is that personal savings rate has increased dramatically. Still significant is that the Fed and the federal government have injected massive amounts of stimulus in the economy, and they're not done yet. Even if coronavirus has a second wave, it's unlikely we're going back to the full lockdown mode. So stay safe, and we'll look at the charts when I finally get up and fully running. But thanks for your patience. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.